Hey, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to Miss FITZ'S Adventures. Hey, we're going out to do some errands and stuff. And we started to leave. And we heard some equipment out here. And then we heard, we saw these guys out here, which they're harvesting the rest of the broccoli. And that's how they do it. So they pull up with two of the tractors, pull the machines up. They have a truck on one side and on the other side. A little flatbed, and they load up all the boxes, but all the people are sitting in the middle under the shade. They're washing them all off after they've been cut, and they're packing them up to go be washed off more and to be processed. Check this out. This field is gone. They must have done it this morning. We didn't see it, but I think they're still out there working way over there. I see a tractor. So yeah, they're plowing up the field. These started to go to seed. That's what we thought they were going to do, is collect the seed. Maybe they did before. Maybe they came out with a special machine and then got the ones that are all flowering. But yeah, we got a bunch of workers out here, and they're doing a great job, I'm sure. We got a couple seconds before this guy comes out. He's got a big old piece of machinery there. I don't know what he does. That's pretty cool. It's like a sky track. Oh, I think they're trimming the leaves and stuff. All right. So we're going to go do some things today. Welcome to Miss FITZ'S Adventures. Come and join us. Had to do is, obviously everybody does have to do this, is take out the trash. She just did that. We got Max at home today, so he took a sleeping pill and he's out, hopefully, and not gonna make too much noise. But yeah, we had to do this by ourselves. The temperature today is 91 degrees down here in Yuma, so it's starting to warm up. It's about 10 degrees warmer than what we were in Desert Hot Springs, I think. So all right, guys, we're gonna go and do some errands, and we're taking you with us today. Come on, let's go. Just to show you guys, this is how they actually harvest. So the other tractor picks it up, and it has the flatbed on it, and they put the boxes on it, and that's how fast that works. So they're filling it up with broccoli. So a couple people are down on the ground on this side over here on the end, and they're getting the broccoli picked, and then there's people on the excavator line, and they start to pack it. They just start putting it in boxes. I don't think they're washing it here. I think what they're doing actually is well, they're actually just taking it from here and bringing it to another facility, and then they plant it, and then they they wash it, and then they repack it with ice and then ship it out that way. That's pretty cool, guys. That's where our broccoli comes from, and it's good broccoli.
It's organic.
Organic broccoli. Well, we found the laundromat. It's called Joanne's, and we're here. So we're going inside and do some laundry, and we'll be out in just a few minutes. I'm going to bring you in there in just a few minutes. Let me carry all this stuff in. So where we are is in Yuma still, and we're at the Joanne's Fluff and Fold Wash. So they do that for a service fee, obviously. And yeah, so you got a Circle K over here, and an auto parts store, and something else in here, I don't know. It's a nice little town. We're in the back of everything though. We'll show you a little bit more later. We're gonna try to find a Walmart, and we're gonna try to find a Walmart, get some things, and we also need an RV repair store because we want to change out the IO to it, and once we change it out, it should be taken care of. We'll probably do that over the next couple days. As we told you, we're going to stay here probably probably another week. So we will be leaving on Wednesday. It's now Thursday, so now we have 6 more days here. We were going to go back into Mexico. I don't think we're going to do that. I don't know, but we are going to go to do some things around the area and show you guys what's happening here in Yuma. So all right, laundry's done and we're on a road. So we're now at a car wash. We're going to wash the car off. It hasn't been washed probably in a week or about 3 or 4 months. So we're going to rinse all this stuff off. She's got some quarters. And then we're going to get back in the car. We got to go to an RV store within the next 20 minutes. They close and it's right down the street here. So we're going to wash the truck now. And we just went shopping at Walmart. Got a bunch of stuff. Filled up the camper, or filled up the truck rather. Here's our laundry. So now it's time to go back. Are we good? What are you, wrapping up your wine so they don't break?
It's a bumpy road.
Yeah, it is a bumpy road all the way there. So, all right guys, we are going to, ooh, wait a minute. There we go. We're gonna get back on the road and go back to the camper. Dion's putting away the buggy. And we should be home in just a little bit. Let me get right in your face there. Oh. And we'll be home probably in about 20-30 minutes. And that's our day of shopping and doing our laundry. And it was really quick and easy for you guys because you didn't even have to see anything. So that's better that way. We also stopped off at a RV shop. And the RV shop, we got the anode. It's not an iode, it's called an anode. And that is what rusts before anything else rusts. It's this rust first. And it was $13.95. We've only paid about $7 for them. So yeah, we needed it, so we got it, and we got overcharged, but that's okay. We are gonna go back to the camper right now and get Max outside. It's now 5 o'clock. We're kind of running in between 2 different times here. So actually in the car, it's the right time for us. It's California time, it's 4:03, but actually it's an hour earlier because we're in Arizona, and Arizona follows the daylight savings time all year. So, all right guys, we're on our way back to the camper. Well, hello. We got all our work done. We went shopping, we did our laundry, and now it's time to go over and see this neat place. We'll show you where we're going in just a couple seconds, right?
Yep.
All right, guys, we're in a parking lot. Horns are blaring. All right, guys, we're gonna go show you where we're going. Well, we were very excited coming here. We just drove about, I don't know, 20 miles to get here. And we're not sure yet. But where we're at is, it's called Midnight at the Oasis, and it is a car show. And it's at the Sun Dome, or whatever it is here, stadium. A lot of people here. We were just told that no pets. So we're gonna have to not go. Look at the cars going by. I would have loved to have gone, but we have our dog with us. This is sad. I am very sad. I'm gonna find out here. Hey, sir.
Are dogs allowed in? No? Okay. That's all we need to know.
So, dogs are not allowed in. We brought Max. The only other thing we can do is come back tomorrow.
Leave them at home.
Leave him at home. So we tried. Gosh, that was very disappointing. All right, guys, what started this whole thing off was yesterday. This is actually the next day. We did our laundry, we went shopping, we got home and it was like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Gonna cook dinner, eat dinner, and that was it for the day.
Yep.
But on the way home, as we were driving past like kind of like downtown to where we are, there was a bunch of cars, like an auto show, and it was like, oh cool, look. But we had frozen food, we had all that stuff in the car, and we couldn't go anywhere. So with that said, we looked it up, and it's called Midnight at the Oasis, and it is a get-together just like Cruising the Coast is.
Yep.
It's 3 days long instead of a week long, and it starts at the Sun Dome. We're actually started where we were yesterday. You all gather there, and then they come over to here, and yeah, but dogs aren't allowed. So we're gonna regroup. Tomorrow is going to be the day we come. So guess what? We're gonna pick it up right here tomorrow. We'll both have something different on, and we'll be right back. Because what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to Home Depot or Lowe's,
Yeah.
and we're gonna try to fix the kitchen cabinet that's busting and the side cabinet and some other things.
Yeah.
We need a staple gun, electric one. So that's what we're gonna do. All right?
Yep.
All right. Come back tomorrow, right here, and we'll meet you right here. All right? Thanks, guys. Well, good morning, everybody. Or afternoon it is. Nah, it just turned 12 o'clock. We are at the car show. We finally got inside. It's a day later. And it's pretty cool. The place is packed. We got the cops in back of us here.
Keep an eye out there reporting that people are leaving with beers. So I've had a couple trying to leave the main gate.
We got lots of cars here. People are trying to leave with beers. We got to hurry up. Come on. Look at that Chevy. Really nice, huh? It's our first car. That's beautiful.
I want to tell you. So you spent an hour to come down 32 from the foothills all the way down here.
Check this one out.
I know about you, the gas. I checked 4 or 5 bucks again.
That's really pretty.
An hour minimum of your time. $4 worth of gas.
Electronic dashboard. Nice engine.
It costs you $1 to come. Racing costs you 30 to race. Yeah, no, I appreciate it.
Look at this one. El Camino. I had a friend that had one up in Lake Tahoe. Lots of nice Chevys here. How do you like that color?
I like that.
Yeah, it's a little too plain. It's a little too dark for my taste. Check this one out. Jewelry, huh? That is so pretty. 61, Victorville, California. There is probably 10,000 people here, or more. We're in on A Street. Oh, look at the Studebaker. Oh my God, look, and there's another one. Hell, there's 2 of them, right down from each other. The same colors. Nice Studebaker. Rhino liner on it, and painted over it. Cool. Nice Chevy over here. Hey, we could do the resto mod here. Check this out. Yuma, Arizona.
Let's go, sweetheart.
What do you think of this? Nice Malibu. Interior needs some work on that, but that's pretty, huh? Beautiful. And then we got this.
What about this one?
Wow. 3 carbs on it. That is nice. That is gorgeous. Check this out. So it's a 39 Ford convertible. Gimbal's acting really weird. What's under there? Ooh. How clean is that? Look at this. All electronic dash. Look at the wood. Can I have this one too? That's beautiful.